Alright. Starting with a regular HD document, I'm going to try and do animated lines. So here I'm going to use the rectangle tool, and it's got a color and fill. Sorry, a stroke and a fill. The stroke is the outside edge, and oops, I didn't want that, I wanted this. And the fill, of course, I'm going to set to nothing. So you've got multiple options here. You can select colors, you can get into some detail with the color using the color picker. So you can pick a precise color, or you can go nothing. In this case, I want nothing, because what I'm going to do is a set of animated lines and have them come on as a sequence. So, how do I do this? Well, I'm going to have to run out the timeline until frame 50, and I'm going to insert another layer. So this will be my lines, and this will be, I suppose, well, it's called a mask layer, but yeah, I'll just call it mask layer. When typing in layer names, and I'll just create the error here. If you do spaces or any other funny characters, it complains at you like this, and it'll just add in an underscore there, which is, yeah. So this one's actually kind of easy. So I need to actually again select the tool, and fill it with anything. So if I will do a nice big black cube, I'm going to double click on it and then rotate it a little bit. The double click is so I select not just the fill but also the edge. And now I'm going to motion tween it. Right click on this timeline down here, and you can go create motion tween. It will automatically convert it to a symbol, and so I'll go okay, yes, do that, I like that idea. And now I'm going to move it, and so this actually makes the whole process really easy. We'll just move it so it blobs over top. And so as I play the thing, it deals with that part of the animation for me. So it's great for making things move. Now I should be able to, and hopefully I'll get this right, mask it. Oops. And of course it didn't work. Wonderful. Turn the mask off, and let's try masking this layer. Yes! Great. So what it's done is I have a mask, and the mask goes over an image and reveals it. Now you don't have to use things like this, and this is pretty much the sum total of this animation. If I wanted to get fancy, and of course why not, I'm going to have, well, let's just go something. Bang. Butch, complete with misspelling, that's great. And on this layer, I'm going to hide the bottom two layers so I don't have to deal with it. I'm going to use the brush and go to blah, 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 blah. And then I'm going to go up here and I'm going to start doing things. So here with the blob brush, oh, is it the blob brush? No, they've changed the name. They've got a classic brush and fluid brush, no longer blob. Good to know. I don't even know if I can use this one. Nah, it's not doing what I want. Anyhow, they're virtually the same anyway, and I'm certain there's people out there who will go, no, it's not, how dare you, kind of stuff. But if I wanted to use frame-by-frame animation techniques over the top of this, then I could go, blah, say for example, and then go insert keyframe, and all I'm doing is adding a bit more detail with every step. Yeah, let's just do this. Now, of course, it doesn't look like much now, and I'm going to stop shortly because time is of the essence, and I can then space out those things. But if I then go mask that layer, all I can see is blah, 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 blah. And as you can see, I've even got the missing brush strokes in there. Now, if I wanted to change this a little bit, I can then grab this and slide it out one. It inserts a keyframe there, and grab this one. No, is it this one? Yeah, it's this one. All right. So this one, I can go, well, I actually want that. Oh, whoops. Hover, click, hold, wait for half a second, drag it out. Click, hold, wait for half a second. No. Okay. Place, click, hold, wait, and then drag it out. Getting the timing on this one is always things. So select the frame, click and hold, then move. So because if you just click and drag, it's assuming you're doing that thing of highlighting a whole region. As you can see here how it blobs out. So both animations, throw them on together. Let's hit enter to play it, and off it goes. So keyframing, also motion tweening makes some things easier, but it gives you less control, and it's a bit of a trade-off in that regard. As always, we should save O3 animated, animated lines, and then of course save and export. Okay, so hope you've enjoyed this tutorial. Please make use of it and go through and animate the lines. Either way is perfectly fine. And next up I'll be doing the classic bouncing ball, so check it out.